Welcome to episode of AI Simplified with iauro, where we explain AI in simple, everyday language. Today's topic is AI bias. AI bias happens when an AI system gives results that are unfair, skewed, or not equally accurate for everyone. It's not intentional. It happens because AI learns from data, and if that data has gaps or patterns, the AI picks them up. Let's understand this with simple examples. In finance, banks may use AI to approve or reject loan applications.
If past data shows more approvals for certain groups, the AI may start favoring similar profiles even if new applicants are equally eligible.
That means some people may get rejected, not because they are risky, but because the data was biased. In legal systems, AI tools can be used to assess. If the training data reflects past judgments with patterns or inconsistencies, the AI may repeat those patterns. This can influence decisions in a way that may not be fair or balanced. In manufacturing, AI is used for hiring or workforce screening.
If the system is trained on past hiring data, it may prefer certain profiles and ignore others, even if they are equally capable. This can lead to missed talent and unfair selection. So AI bias is not about the machine making a mistake on its own. It's about the data and patterns it learns from. That's why AI systems need to be tested, monitored, and reviewed regularly. The goal is simple. Make AI decisions as fair and reliable as possible. So, AI bias means AI can treat similar situations differently if the data is not balanced. Understanding this helps businesses use AI more responsibly. This was episode 9 of AI Simplified with iauro. If you found it useful, follow iauro for more simple, clear explainers on AI and its impact on business.